guys, welcome back to Free Software Tips. So today what I'm going to show you is another quick and fast tutorial with Windows. So today what I'm going to show you is the easy steps on how you could easily disable apps on startup. So let's get started. If you're using Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows XP, you'll have to go to the Start menu, search for msconfig, or you could just hit the run command and then type in msconfig, hit OK, and it will open you this system configuration window. You could just go to the startup tab, and then you'll be able to see a list of startup programs on your computer. You could just simply uncheck them to disable them, and then after disabling them by unchecking it, you just click the apply button and hit OK. But for Windows 8, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10, it's much simpler and easier. Just simply go to this task manager by going to the taskbar, right click it. Here's the taskbar, open the task manager, and under the startup tab you'll be able to see different apps here. And then you could also, some apps are measured by their startup impact, so you could just decide whether or not these applications are necessary for your startup of your Windows. Just if you decided to just disable it, just simply right click it and hit disable. Do this for all the apps that you would like disabled on startup. So that's it, guys. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe. Don't forget to leave your comments down below, and see you later. Peace out.